ain't never gotta heat me up. I'm present when I'm absent, speaking when I'm not there. All them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. I'm the hottest you got.
Esto es un party por debajo del agua. Baby, busca tu paraguas. Estamos bailando como peces en el agua. Ey, como peces en el agua. Agua. No existe la noche ni el día.
We'd be laying in my bed, and you'd randomly get up and leave. You would make a lot of time for anyone other than me. The more that I gave, the more you held back. Now I am emotionally starved. You're stuck on your ex, you're stuck.
Are you ready for a gross cleaning video? You can probably tell by my face that I'm not excited. I even have gloves. It's the grill. I'm not talking like the grate, I'm talking in there. As you can see, it's disgusting. I got my gloves. Yummy. I honestly don't even know where to start. Like, should I take... Oh, okay. It's like crust. Oh. I need a bucket. So these are my supplies. Ew. Oh, it's like crust. The grease is supposed to go in this hole and into this thing, which I also need to clean. I made no progress, so come back for part 2.
Well, TikTok, here's a wee video of me just cleaning the hob. I called this an oven last time and I had a lot of corn slobbering to me, so I'm going to use the right word and call it a hob. But anyway, back to the hob. Here's me cleaning the hob. Holy fuck, I'm so annoying. But anyway, I actually don't know why I bother sometimes, because this literally takes about 3 hours to clean and I eat 24/7, so more than likely in the next hour it's going to end up disgusting again. But here's me just embracing my inner child and finding this so satisfying. If this lands on your For You page, just let me know. A lot of people's been asking me to do cleaning videos, and I do have a couple of my drafts ready to post. So if this one ends up on the For You page, then I'll post the rest of them. If you're new here and you're still watching this video, don't forget to follow me. And come back to see all the other cleaning videos, which I'm going to post tonight, because my house looks like £1,000 bombs at it. But yeah, I've just spent the last hour or so cleaning this hob, and now I'm going to need to go and clean the other bit of the oven. So yeah, wish me luck.
Alright, so this is the floor.
Then poured out the tadpoles. I rinsed everything down and gave it a good scrub. I added some fresh water and dechlorinator, and then I added lots of rocks and some new ones. Then I added everything back into the clean pool. I then poured all the wee tadpoles through the sieve. I know you guys love this so much. There's less tadpoles, but their speckles are beautiful. I then swooshed them into the pool.
My bio says zero blogger bullshit for a reason, so I don't want people to think my apartment is always clean. I'm known for tornadoing a room, but I'm also known for being a neat freak. So here's some tips that help me clean my apartment. First, in order to not get overwhelmed or defeated that I'm not making any progress, I take everything one room at a time. For example, I'm starting in my living room and take anything that doesn't belong and chuck it in a pile somewhere else to deal with later. But whenever I do move on to another room, if I find something that does need to go into the living room, since it's already being clean, it has to go back into the correct spot. Next, my motto is, if possible, anything that's not decor should be kept out of sight. We've seen that I love my remote cover and my little cord cover, but this also goes for things like your laptop charger or the notebook you write on all the time. This next thing is something that may sound silly, but after living with roommates, I realized there's a lot of people who think using just a Clorox wipe and wiping the table is cleaning. No, please move everything, dust it, and wipe it down with a cleaner. Sorry if that came out harsh, but this next tip is just the little things that I do to keep my apartment looking and smelling fresh. Like adding dryer sheets to my vacuum for smell, throwing my pillows in the dryer to fluff them up, spraying things I can't wash with fabric deodorizer, and opening.
This is part 2 of me cleaning my house in preparation for a week-long visit from my ex-husband. He flies into town tomorrow. So our arrangement is kind of such that he usually only sees the kids on holidays or during the summers. And because of COVID, we decided it was probably better if we didn't all travel. So he's coming here and he'll be staying for a week in that playroom that you just saw. I will put up an air mattress for him. This is my boys' room. It's kind of a laundry nightmare. I am admittedly anxious for this visit. A couple of people have asked. Yes, I've seen a doctor for my depression and I'm on medication for it. That being said, it was still a really difficult day and I felt like I needed to take a 30-minute break for every 30 minutes of work I did. But we got upstairs clean and fresh and ready for the visit, so we did it.
Forever now I drive alone past your street.